more tapping exercises, you can incorporate this in your solos. It's a nice little touch. Very simple to do. It's on one string, but you can use it on different strings as well. No distortion. We're just gonna show you the frets and where I'm tapping. This is the 15th fret. This is the 17th fret, and then we have the 19th, 20, and then 22. So all we're doing is one more time. All right, and we want to make sure that we're using our palm to keep the other strings from ringing out. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to hear those notes. So once we put distortion on it, then here we go. Let's try it. We'll go slow. Okay, so it sounds very nice, and you can incorporate it on different strings or up the neck somewhere, but essentially the pattern stays the same, and it should sound good when you incorporate it with your solos. All right, let me know if you enjoy that. If you want some tap for that, let me know in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.